are 3 rules to writing. The problem is no one can agree on what the 3 rules are. Creativity, to take that very finite group of 26 letters in the alphabet and bring them to life. Also inspiration. What is it that you want to explore? What makes you wake up each morning and face that blank page? Sometimes writing can be like pulling your own teeth, and the best part of it is being finished.
California today has a reputation as a foodie capital of the world. It has an origin back even prior to the gold rush from the Mexican Californio culture and the introduction of certain kinds of foodstuffs. But it totally changed during the California gold rush. And then all of these people, this overnight, California became the most ethnically diverse place on earth. And they brought with them all of their different foodstuffs and different kinds of cooking techniques. The California Gold Rush brought to California a bunch of young guys who, teenagers and early 20s, who didn't know how to cook and didn't want to cook, and it ended up leading to very bad nutrition. And if you look at the historical record of the time period, there are stories of sumptuous feasts, but there's a lot of stories, particularly in the gold fields, of the fact that people did not eat properly. There are many, many accounts of scurvy, for instance, that takes place. There are stories of young people who didn't know how to cook or cook badly, who end up eating a kind of gruel or this mixture of flour that they would heat on the blades of shovels, that they would cook, a kind of fry bread almost, that led to terrible nutrition. Many, many gold rushers ended up sick from poor nutrition.